It always starts the same way. A race against the clock. Looking for things I already own. Losing time I don't have. This isn't just a closet. It's a daily tax on my peace.
As you can see on the tablet, we can utilize this space for the new closet system, which should accommodate everything.
It wasn't just about building shelves. It was a plan, a process, craftsmanship I could actually see.
Now, my day starts differently.
It starts with calm. It starts with intention.
They didn't just give me a closet, they gave me back my time.
Reclaim your time. Reclaim your space. Start your journey to a calmer home with the experts at Closet King.